Today, Friday, the 18th of July 2025, at Cheta, the border into somewhere, and this is the road, Marenge. Yeah, the border into Marenge. This is how the road looks like. Yeah, we are adding to the trek. Very, very helpful officials around this place, and it's my second home. I'll come back. Yeah, this is Chief Trekker. The rest is security sensitive. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
That's how the road looks like, and this we are trying to run away from the rain, because if the rain comes, this road becomes impassable. So we have to be really playing against the rain. Yep. Okay. You say now these are the roads that nobody cares about. People live here, there need to be business moving, but the roads are very poor.
Okay.
You see? How can you move goods in here? If it rains, nothing moves. So the communities here are grounded. They have no food, they have no business, no money to take to look after children. When there is hospital, you can't move from point A to point B for hospital. So such roads need attention, but they are ignored. Here in Sudan, leading from South Sudan, yeah, that's how it is.